I'm Lucrecia Strano. I'm the founder of Strano Factory. I'm also a biomaterial researcher. I'm here in Centra Rog because I was invited by Shemakes to make a biomaterial workshop where I shared with some students my knowledge about this field. Try to teach them how to make biomaterials, how to give these material textures, pigments. We most work with three polymers, biopolymers, alginate, agar-agar, and gelatin. And I shared this workshop with Urosh, it's chemical engineering, and we try to integrate both fields, scientists and design. We spent all the weekend together, having an amazing time.